The sixth play at the sword in one hand is an elbow push. Quite straightforward, and it goes directly into the seventh play. It looks like this. So from here, Fiore says I can strike you from in front, but I can also, if that doesn't satisfy me, push the elbow and cut your throat. Once more.
Yes.
And of course you could do both. Smack, elbow push and turn, although you probably don't need to do both at that point.
Ooh.
Hello.
That was a show.
So I can simply strike from the front, as Fiore says, or I can push the elbow and cut. And I would be a sad fool if I failed to cut your throat.